In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a click-to-call link in HubSpot. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially if you want your audience to reach you with just a tap on their mobile device. We'll walk through how to set this up within either a rich text module or a call to action, also known as a CTA. So let's dive right in and make sure you can easily integrate this feature into your content. First things first, you need to locate the rich text module or CTA in your HubSpot account where you'd like to add this functionality. If you're working with existing content, such as a website page, landing page, or email, simply hover over the content and click Edit. This will open up the editing panel for you to make changes. If you're starting completely fresh, you'll want to create a new piece of content or a CTA where you want this click-to-call link to appear. This will take you to the place where you'll be adding your link. Now that you've found your target spot, it's time to add the link. If you're using a rich text module, look for the link icon in the rich text toolbar. This is where you'll start creating the click-to-call link. For those working on CTAs, especially those using the legacy editor, you'll find what you need in the URL redirect type dropdown. However, if you're on the new CTA editor, the link options will be available during the CTA creation process itself. Once you're ready to configure your link, you'll want to ensure it's set to be a click-to-call link. This involves selecting the option to redirect users to a phone number. Make sure to enter the desired phone number accurately, including that all-important country code. This is a crucial step, as including the correct country code ensures that your number is dialed correctly, no matter where in the world your audience is calling from. In case you want to set up a mail-to link instead, select the redirect to an email address option and put in the email address you wish the link to direct to. After configuring your link, you'll need to finalize and save your work. For CTAs, hit Save within the dialog box. If you're working with rich text modules, click Insert to set your link. Once everything is in place, publish or update your content to see the changes live. As you consider these options, keep in mind the convenience this feature provides, particularly for mobile users who will appreciate the ability to call you with a simple tap. And if you opt for mail-to links, remember that they open the user's default email program with a pre-filled to address, which facilitates quick and easy email composition. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create click-to-call links in HubSpot. I hope you find this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!